Good evening and thanks for joining us at 11. I'm Terry McFadden. New tonight, one final message from the St. Joe County Health Officer, Dr. Bob Einters, before he retires at the end of the month. People gathered at the IU Civil Rights Heritage Center to hear his perspective on public health in the county and a call to action moving forward. Monica Murphy has the story.
Dr. Bob Einters was on the verge of retiring, but decided to come to Michiana in 2020 to serve as the next health officer for St. Joe County.
Our mission is to promote physical and mental health and facilitate the prevention of disease, injury, and disability for all St. Joseph County residents.
Dr. Bob gave his farewell speech in front of a packed house Thursday. First, he talked about health equity.
As equally as I value you, or at least we should, and we value Granger as equally as we value the west side of South Bend, as we do Lakeville, we value all communities. And said if we want to achieve health, we have to address social determinants of health. Fragmented family structures, domestic violence, teenage pregnancies, poverty, racism, and all the rest that goes with it. He also talked about the health department's goals like being data-driven, equity-focused, and addressing disparities and social factors impacting health. Your Department of Health has accomplished about 85% of what we set out to do in our 4-year plan. And successes like getting a community health worker grant to help expand services in the county. We are doing so well that the CDC is pointing other states to our program in this county to figure out what we're doing right because they're doing it wrong. Dr. Bob says he went into neighborhoods and listened to the community's concerns. I went all over the place, just listened. What are the health problems? What is causing you to suffer? What is causing you to die here in St. Joe County? And was able to help grow the health department during his time here. We're going to go after a whole lot of grants because we don't want to raise taxes on people here. But there's a whole lot of money outside this county that can come in to help. Dr. Bob also talked about the new health officer, Dr. Joseph Serbin, who was just voted in this week. And a person who is truly compassionate and cares about everybody in this county. But the reality is, we had a couple of people who were the experts, who were the best in public health. And he leaves the community with this message. And I can guarantee you that the trajectory of the St. Joseph County Health Department until early November was going like this. The Department of Health over the last 3 years has shown a way forward. There is reason for hope. Reporting in South Bend, Monica Murphy, 16 News Now.